weather with meteorologist Becky Taylor.
Welcome back. We have a pretty quiet start to the day. It's pretty mild outside, but we are seeing a little bit of some showers working their way through. So that's a look at our Mayetta camera. Currently dry there. We do have just a little bit of some low-lying fog here and there as well, maybe even some mist or drizzle if you're not seeing a full-on light rain shower right now. Temperature sitting at 66 degrees, dew point in Topeka at 63. Still no precipitation at Billard so far since midnight, but we'll probably see a few showers here and there at times as we go throughout the rest of today. Current temperatures low to mid 60s all across the board. So we're sitting at 67 in Hiawatha. Same goes for Lawrence. We're at 65 in Burlington and Emporia, 65 in Junction City and Manhattan too. Same goes for Concordia. So pretty popular number this morning so far. And as we go throughout this afternoon, pretty same story in terms of our temperatures compared to what we've seen the last several days. So once again, making it up into the upper 70s, low 80s, dropping back into the mid 60s again tonight, still on the humid side, and temperatures tomorrow climbing up to near 80 degrees. So kind of a broken record forecast, a lot very similar to what we saw last week. And that's coming up for much of this week too. Our weather pattern really not looking to change all that much over the coming days either. So satellite and radar showing some of those light rain showers lifting off to the north in our eastern counties. Maybe a couple pockets of some moderate rain showing up in Coffee County just to the south of Burlington and maybe up near Hiawatha as well. And then just some light showers coming in from this batch of showers and storms that's working its way through Nebraska right now. That's making its way into our north and western counties. So Clay Center, you're picking up some light rain as well. If we zoom out, we'll kind of show you the overall setup here. So we're still watching this area of high pressure in the eastern half of the United States. And you got this clockwise flow that goes around a high pressure. So you can see all that moisture coming up from the Gulf of Mexico into northeast Kansas. And then we actually have a cold front that's going to be kind of draped across Nebraska and Kansas over the next couple of days. And that's going to really be the focus for severe weather over the next couple of days as well. So that's where we do have that slight risk for storms, severe storms coming up for this afternoon. Here in northeast Kansas, we don't have quite as much instability today, but by the time we get to tomorrow, we might have to be monitoring for the potential to see some stronger cells, especially towards the afternoon. So future track today starts at 7 a.m. Just some light rain showers east. Those start to lift off to the north, and then it just becomes a little bit more spotty as we go throughout the rest of the day today. So we're mainly watching for mostly cloudy skies today, maybe a couple storms clipping our north and western counties around midnight, and then we'll have a slightly better chance for some scattered storms throughout the afternoon on Tuesday with the heat of the day. And like I was mentioning, a couple of those could be strong enough to produce maybe some larger hail, probably around the size of quarters or so, and some damaging wind gusts as well. So we'll be watching that pretty closely through the daytime on Tuesday. Not a widespread severe weather event by any means, and really we're not even in a slight risk for severe weather. It's just the chance that we could see one or two of those storms would get a little bit stronger as we go throughout Tuesday afternoon. So temperatures climbing up into the middle 80s by Wednesday. Another slightly better chance for some scattered storms comes up on Thursday as that cold front finally makes its way towards us, and that'll drop our temperatures back into the mid to upper 70s as we close out the week and start off your Memorial Day weekend. So really not looking too bad, and it does look like our rain chances become a little bit more spotty heading in towards the weekend as well. So a little bit of good news if you are planning on doing some outdoor activities for the weekend. Just keep it in the back of your mind that we still got the same kind of pattern where we could see some isolated showers here and there.
Yeah, probabilities are lower though, so
yes,
I like
they are.
that.
Yep.
And temperatures look more comfortable. All right.